Hello everybody, today we're going to see the unboxing of ichroma test kit from Bodhitech. This is ichroma T3, which is used for the quantitative test of T3 in human serum and plasma. This is basically IVD certified product, and you can see that typically this box contains 25 cartridges, 1 ID chip, 1 insert, 25 detector tube and 2 detector diluent buffer. Okay, let me show you around the box. Here you go. You can see the box. Let me unbox this for you. Inside the box you can see there is one ID chip. You can see that it says ID chip T3, and you get a package insert here. We have a package insert. You can see this here. ichroma T3 is a fluorescence immunoassay for the quantitative determination of Thyroid 9 total T3 in human serum plasma. Okay, you can see that it has the complete instructions. You have the testing components, and you have the test procedures, and you have the limitations and warnings of the test, and you get the complete test principles and procedures, and how to do the quality control, and how to interpret the results. So it is a complete insert or an IFU instruction for use brochure that gives you a complete idea about the test. And further, if you get inside the box, you can see that you got another 25 detector tubes, 25 pairs of the detector tubes here. You can see that here, ichroma T3 25 detector tubes, and inside you can see 2 diluent buffer. It says detector diluent buffer for T3. You can see that it's for 25 test, stored at 4 to 30 degrees Celsius. This is you have two bottles of that. Inside you can see the 25 test cartridges. You can see the 25 test cartridges here, and I'll pick 2 out of that. I'm going to show this bottle so you can see inside. It says ichroma T3 cartridge. You see the lot numbers and the expiry date available here, and the CE IVD certified marking, and in the back side you can see the manufacturing location. So on a standard, if you look at this product what we're talking today is from Bodhitech ichroma T3 test kit, which is used for the quantitative test of T3 in human serum plasma. Typically this box contains 25 cartridges, 1 ID chip, 1 insert, 25 detector tube and 2 detector diluent buffer. So this is how the total kit looks like. Quickly to summarize, you can see this is the box. You get 1 ID chip, 25 cartridges, 1 package insert, 25 detector tubes and 2 diluent buffer, and this is the total summary of this kit. You can see that. Thank you.
T3 T4 ichroma presentation. Please note that the T3 and T4 procedure are the same, therefore you can use the video as an example for both tests. T3 T4 components: eye chamber, ichroma reader or ichroma 2, reagent kits, detection buffer and solution B, micropipette of 75 microliter or professional pipette. Let's start the test. Turn on eye chamber. Change the target temperature to 25 degrees Celsius by pressing the 2 buttons during 5 seconds. Set the timer to 8 minutes by pressing the button on the right for 5 seconds. Draw 75 microliter of solution B and transfer it into the detection buffer tube. After transferring solution B into the detection buffer tube, mix few times by pipetting. Draw 75 microliter of sample and transfer it into the detection buffer tube. Mix it by pipetting few times and then by shaking 10 times. As the mixture requires an incubation time of 8 minutes at room temperature, you can launch the timer of ichroma 2 for a duration of 8 minutes. After incubation time at room temperature, dispense 75 microliter of the mixture onto the cartridge. Insert the cartridge into eye chamber for an incubation time of 8 minutes at 25 degrees Celsius. After incubation time into eye chamber, withdraw the cartridge and run the test into ichroma 2. You can check the test result on ichroma 2 LCD screen after you run the test.